Hello everyone and welcome back to our anatomy and physiology class. Today our topic is about menstrual cycle and we're going to have our graphing. But first off, I want you to use your Chrome book, open up, find these 9 dots here, the right side, go to Google Sheets, click this link and open the blank one, click this link and title your spreadsheet with menstrual cycle graphing. All right, then you're gonna copy this information. This is from your assignment today, menstrual cycle graphing lab. So you're going to study and read this first, and once you're done with reading this information, there are 3 main phases of the menstrual cycle. As we all know, we've got follicular, ovulatory, and luteal processes. So I'm gonna talk more on that one, but for the sake of today's activity, we just have to do how to make graphs. All right, so here you just copy this information from your assignment. So you write here day. We have here these hormones responsible for your menstrual cycle. We have 4 hormones responsible. Ladies, this is for ladies. This is for females. This is for moms who are still having this menstrual cycle, so you will know. So we have this hormones, 4 hormones. Number 1, luteinizing hormone. You're gonna type this hormone, or we call it LH. Right? This is a shortened one. We have the follicle-stimulating hormone, or we call it the FSH hormone. We have the estrogen hormone, and we have the progesterone. So these 4 hormones are responsible for women, for ladies, for girls and teenagers having this menstrual cycle. So let's start. You just copy all of this, 1 up to day 28, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 28, okay? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. For 1 month, they just use 28. Okay, that's the normal cycle, 28. All right, so next one, luteinizing hormone. This is actually, this data is a relative hormone levels which vary greatly during the menstrual cycle. So this table below that we're going to follow is the table that shows the relative levels of these 4 major hormones by day. All right, so we're just going to copy it. So 6, 10, 10, and 2. Next one, we're going to copy second day 7, 11, 10, 2. Next one, day 3, 8, 12, 10, 8, 12, 10, and 2. I think all of this here, and that's all 2. So day 4, 8, 13, 10, 8, 13. You just have to transfer this one into a sheet so it's easy to make a graph later. Number 5, 8, 14, 8, 14, 10, and 2. And we are now in day 6, 8, 13, 13, 2, 8, 13, 13, 2. We have 7, 8, 12, 16, 2, 8, 12, 16, 2. Day 8, 8, 12, 19, 2, 8, 12, 19, 2. Day 9, 8, 12, 22, 2, 8, 12, 22, 2. We have 10, 10, 13, 28, 10, 13, 28, and 2. Now let's go to day 11, 12, 14, 35, 12, 14, 35, and 2. Let's go to day 12, 22, 16, 28, 3, 28, 3, 15, 32, 20, day 13, 22, 4, 14, 20, 15, 19, 15, 19, day 14, and 5. Alright, so let's go to day 15. We're almost done. Day 15, 6, 10, 16, 8, 6, 10, 16, 8. Let's go to day 16. Let's go here. Day 16, 6, 9, 15, 10, 6, 9, 15, 10. Let's go to day 17, 6, 8, 15, 12, 6, 8, 15, 12. It's day 18, 6, 8, 15, 15, 6, 8, 15, 15. Day 19, 6, 8, 15, 18, 6, 8, 15, 19. We are now in day 19, 15, 18. I got it wrong here. Should be 18. Right, let's go to day 20, 6, 7, 15, 24. 6, 7, 15, 24. Let's go to day 21, 6, 6, 15, 28. 6, 6, 15, 28. Let's go to day 22, 6, 6, 15, 28. It's the same. 6, 6, 15, 28. Let's go to day 23, 6, 6, 15, 28. 6, 6, 15, 28. Day 24, 5, 6, 13, 24. 5, 6, 13, and 24. Let's go to day 25, 4, 6, 10, 18. 4, 6, 10, 18. Day 26, 3, 8, 10, 12. 3, 8, 10, 12, 28. The last day for this graphing. 10, 10, and 2. Alright, so we're done with all our data. The next thing that you have to do, I will make this bigger so you will see. The next thing that you have to do is to make a graph out of this one. So let's read. Using this Google spreadsheet, create a line graph which plots the relative amounts of both estrogen and progesterone on one graph. Alright, so the graph would all just be estrogen and progesterone on one graph. On the second graph, you have to plot the FSH and LH. So you have to make two graphs. First is estrogen and progesterone. So from here, we're going to click the insert table, click chart, right? We need the line graph. Choose this line, okay? Click this part here, the chart editor again. Click insert. That's how we did. Click this insert button, and this shows here. And chart editor, you choose from this. There are many charts, so you choose line chart, not this, not column, but line chart. The data range, the x-axis. We have the x-axis should be the day 1 to 28 here. You're gonna click OK. In the y-axis is data range, horizontal, add series. You're gonna go to add series, which is you're gonna do this both the estrogen level. Hold on, wait. You're gonna go to this, up to down this. Alright, so as you can see, okay, that is just the estrogen. Then you're gonna add another series here. Click add series. You're gonna click this and you're gonna choose the progesterone level. Click this up to down up to this 28 and click OK. Now you have this. Be sure to write title. Okay, your title will be the estrogen and progesterone level during menstrual cycle. Okay, this is your graph number 1. Then you're gonna test this. Now you have the title. I want you to write the blue one here. Now this is your graph. The blue one represents the estrogen. Let's have to blue color, and progesterone is the red, right? So you do like this, and it's ready to go for graph number 1. For graph number 2, we're gonna graph the luteinizing hormone and the follicle-stimulating hormone. All right. Right, let's go to the next graph. We're going to insert again. This is graph number 2. You're going to graph the FSH and the LH. You're going to click chart here. And it should not be the column chart, but line graph. The x-axis